IB Physics, May 2025, Time Zone 2, SLP 1A, Question 9. So in this question, we're told that an ideal gas is held in a cylinder by a piston, other than the piston compresses the gas rapidly. Now, as a result, the average speed of the gas molecules increases, and so the question is, what causes that increase? Well, in order to understand this, we need to look at the kinetic theory of gases. Let's first consider one molecule in this container that is moving around. So its kinetic energy is going to equal 1/2 mv squared. But since this is a gas in a container, we're going to have many molecules, and they're going to be moving in all sorts of directions. So we need to look at the average kinetic energy of all molecules. And what is that going to be? That is going to be 3/2 times K is the Boltzmann constant, and then times T, the absolute temperature in kelvins. And now we need to look at the internal energy of the gas. And what is the total internal energy of the gas? Well, U, which is the total internal energy, is equal to the average kinetic energy of each molecule times however many molecules there are. And notice this is an equation that is given in the data booklet. So you could really skip the prior steps if you knew what was happening here. Now this is also equal, this is kind of a side note, but this is equal to 3/2 nRT as well. That's given in the data booklet. Basically, the conversion between these two is converting to moles, right? N is equal to N times Na, and K times Na equals R. R is the gas constant. These are going to cancel, and basically you just make those substitutions. But that's besides the point. What we need to look at now is that the piston is rapidly compressing the gas. Now this is important because it tells us that the process is adiabatic. Basically, because the compression is so fast, no heat is going to have time to enter or leave. So Q is equal to 0. And how can we use this Q? Well, the first law of thermodynamics. Delta U is equal to Q plus the work done. So since Q is W, delta U is equal to W. And in this case, the piston does positive work on the gas, right? Energy is transferred into the gas, and that is going to be through collisions between the gas molecules and the moving piston, right? So what do we take away from this? Well, the work increases U, and when U increases, right, temperature is going to increase. By the way, 3/2 nR is going to be a constant for a closed cylinder with constant gas, right? And when temperature increases, well, we go up one more step here. What is going to happen to the average kinetic energy of the molecules? Well, the average kinetic energy is also going to increase. And average kinetic energy, well, that's coming from 1/2 mv squared. So the average velocity is directly proportional to the square root of t. Velocity is going to increase. The average speed of the gas molecules is going to increase. So basically, in summary, the piston does mechanical work on the gas. That work is going to become internal energy, which is going to raise the temperature. And since temperature is directly linked to the average kinetic energy, right, through this equation here, well, then the molecules are going to move faster. So the answer that is correct is going to be C. It's not A. The the volume does decrease, but this isn't what directly increases the speed. It's going to increase pressure, of course, but not kinetic energy by itself. What about B, though? Receive thermal energy transfer from outside the cylinder. Well, I talked about this earlier. Since the compression is rapid, there's not enough time for heat transfer to occur. So it's not B, and it's not D either. D is more of a result than the cause. Collisions are going to increase when volume decreases, but again, this is a result, not a cause.